Let's learn how to control colorful drops with a simple stick and create a New Year's masterpiece. Take an image of a gift, place it inside a clear plastic sleeve and coat the surface with a thin layer of vegetable oil. Inside the outline of the gift box, apply glue and carefully attach pieces of paper towel. Use a dropper to pick up colored water and place several vibrant drops onto the plastic sleeve. Gently touch a drop with the stick and slowly guide it toward the gift. Amazing! The droplet slides after the stick and upon reaching the paper, instantly absorbs. Each drop is a tiny water sphere that holds its shape due to surface tension. Water easily wets wood, so as soon as the stick touches the droplet, it immediately sticks to it. The oil creates a smooth, water-repellent surface, and the drop remains under control until it meets the paper, where it fills all the space between the fibers.